have an awareness of, I mean, it's not a front lobe thing. It's so funny. I have been redigging my entire flower garden. And at the same time, this textile was formulating in the studio. And so I'm going to take you up close and let it speak for itself, because I am having a hard time finding words. You can see I've collaged. There's some turquoise lame wrapping around the edge, and I've collaged the organic silk onto a stretched gallery wrap canvas, and there's a silk ribbon, and there's some flower petals, and some wool felt, and then glazes of acrylic paint, a little bit of charcoal, willow charcoal drawing up in here. Kind of take you around. I love, love, love these pinks. And you can see the texture. If I had to say where the inspiration was coming from, this is what I'm imagining my flower garden will be like next spring, with all the new organic topsoil and what do we call it? Black cow. There's some sequins, piece of linen collaged on here with some cross hatching in pearlescent white. And let's go down here. This is part of my favorite part down here. It has this, oh gosh, I don't even know what to call this. I bought this fiber necklace 30 years ago when I first met my husband, and I've had it in my drawer. I wore it a few times 30 years ago, and it transformed into this fiber piece, and I collaged it on. I don't know if I could get down low enough here. You can see the textures. This piece is just a showstopper. So she's 72 inches tall, and she's 40 inches wide. And I'm going to show you the edge. Let's go around here. The edge is, most of the edge is this soft sage green. And it's a little bit textured. I put a little bit of fiber in it. But I have let some of the collage wrap the edge here and up around on this upper side. The collage wraps the edge a little bit. So this will be perfect to put in a float frame. Oops.